Hello everyone, welcome to Hot Shuffle Delicacies, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the 3-tier upside down cake. So in here I have my 6 inches cake, my 8 inches cake and my 9 inches cake. You can as well make use of your 10 inches cake or 11 inches. It depends on what you want to use. So without any further ado, we are going to get straight to the point. Here I have my dowel sticks or dowel rods. I've already sharpened the mouth of it because I used a plier to cut this, and then I used a sharpener. You can also use a razor or your knife to give you this pencil-like shape nib. So now we're going to start. While we stack our cake, also before starting, please don't make use of a sponge vanilla cake. No, it's not going to work for this cake decoration. Make use of a very sturdy vanilla cake, please. Very sturdy. I know why I'm saying this, else it's going to break. Okay, don't go making use of red velvet cake, chocolate cake. No, make use of a sturdy vanilla cake. So I'm going to start stacking in the cake. Also, these are my frosted buttercream. Okay, now I'm going to put one here. Make sure it gets to the bottom. Okay, I'll hit this place inside, but I just want to insert them in first. Okay, and then I go for the third one and the fourth one. Now I'm picking up one of my chopped dowel rod. I'm just going to push them so it stands firmly. Okay, so now I'm going to collect the second layer. I'm going to gently pick it up because we've already frosted it. Yes, carefully and gently pick it up. Now I'm going to tell you something. For each of the cake layers, I added a little carton to it. I don't know if it's, let me check if it's, no, I still need to move it around. Okay, I guess it's okay. Alright, so now I used a carton board. I just cut it to the size of the cake and then I placed it on the bottom of it. Okay, now I'm going to stack it again. For that to stack the second layers, please be careful so your dowel rod will not hit each other, because at this stage it's very delicate. Do not just chuck it in, because if you do, you might stab the edge of the first layer. So what you have to do, you insert one of the sticks in here. There is a little resistance here due to the board. Gently push this through. Okay, now we have gotten to the bottom of our cake. Now you can use your edible marker to mark this point of your dowel rod. Then use a plier to cut it off. I'm going to repeat the same steps. Okay, I'm going to put it in here, and here. Okay, so now I've just pushed in the last dowel rod, and I'm just going to repeat the same first step I did for the first layer. Push it in, and then I'll cover the holes using my buttercream. So you should do same for your first layer of cake. Just covering it. Alright, and now for the last layer, I'm not just going to put it now, I'm going to do the decoration first before adding in the last layer. And in here I have my buttercream and my star tip. I'm using, let me just clean this off, my star tip nozzle, and I'm using the small size of it. So what I'm going to do here is just create a star shape. Alright, so I'm just going to start. Here's my star tip medium nozzle. I'm just going to start. Sorry if you can't see this clearly, my gen is out of oil. It's going to be, I'm going to start the gen soon, so sorry about that. I'm filming this right now and it's dark. I'm making use of my phone lights. I should have been showing my face, but I'm not, because I've been working throughout the day. My face is kind of rough. So first, star tip piping. We're just going to take this around and repeat the same process till we are done. So I'm done piping on the first layer, and now I've just applied edible glue to one of my, is it rock design? I don't really know the name. Yes, so I'm gonna start from, just gonna place this here gently. Yeah, thank you.
Carry on, carry on.
All right. You need somebody to help you with this. You need someone to help you. You holding. Okay. Since we've gotten this, I'm going to cut out the excess. Alright. So just cut out the excess. So place this. Place both ends. Yes. So that's that. Sorry, I'm just clearing my work surface. I like working on a clean surface. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do right now, I'm going to place in the last layer on top of our cake. Like I said, you need someone to help you to do this. You really need someone to help you. Okay.
Is it well balanced? Yes, it is. It is.
It is well balanced, right?
Yes. It is.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright. So what we're going to do now, what you do, please, I forgot to tell you. At the center of your cardboard paper or carton paper, create a hole. So when we dip this, try to locate the center of your cake, and once you dip this in, be gentle. Okay. Alright. See, it's going in. I got the center of the cake. Gently. So we've got it to the bottom of it. Now I'm just going to cut this using my plier. Let me take it out. I'm working with the bigger nozzle pin to cover our cake board. Okay, so now I'm going to switch back to the small or the medium static nozzle. Piping at the top of the cake. It's an upside down cake, so this is the top of the cake. We don't have to touch this area, just the edges. Okay, so now I'm repeating the same step I did for the first tier. Push and pull, push and pull. I'll take it round and then I'll show you the end result. So this is the end result of our upside down 3-tier cake decoration. You can just dust some edible gold dust or pearl luster dust on top of it or on the decorations. So just play with it, do whatever you want. You can decorate this cake using both buttercream and fondant icing. Okay, so that's the end of our class. I'll be waiting for your practicals, so send in your practicals. Like I said, you can use a 6 inches cake, 8-inch cake, 10-inch cake or 9-inch cake for this. Just do whatever you want. And for the stacking, be sure to use a dowel rod. Okay, thanks for the class and God bless.